Tell you what, on these Tassie tracks, they're so tight in places, and it really does help having a, look at this, a good set of mirrors that can fold back in and that are really tough. But the Clearview boys, well, they've gone a step further. I want to take this opportunity to show you their new mirrors, because trust me, they're very, very impressive. These mirrors, of course, are the same Clearview Towing Mirrors that I've got in Sooty the 80 and Vocos 79, but there's one very special difference. Hit it. How cool is that? Of course, they've got motors inside, so via the press of a button, you can fold them against the side of your vehicle. That's super handy in tracks like this in Tasmania. Chuck them back out. Look at that, both are working, of course. You don't need to get out of the vehicle. How cool is that? How cool is that? You know, that really is a clever little function of the Clearview Towing Mirrors, to be able to push them back in by the press of a button. I mean, especially here in Tasmania where it's real thick and it's really cold, you don't want to get outside and push them in yourself. I mean, it's really clever. In fact, they've got another little function with the press of a button. It's actually got a heater element inside the mirror, so it can defog those mirrors on those cold winter mornings. Very, very clever. Now, these motorised Clearview mirrors are, of course, still manual, so you can push them out, or if you do hit a tree by mistake, there's no harm done. Of course, they pull out as well. They're just a really clever bit of kit, if you ask me. Absolutely unreal, mate. Well, there's a few hard tracks down there, so I reckon let's get into it, eh?